I am going to show you how you can create a YouTube account. So let's begin the video. First, to clear you, here I am going to tell you something that YouTube account and YouTube channel are two different things. So to create a YouTube account, you must have a Gmail account. Here you have to enter your email address and password to create a YouTube account. But if you don't have, you have to click on the create account option at the bottom. Then you have to select why you are creating your account. Here I will select to manage my business option. After that I will select my first name, last name and create a password. Now I will click on this next button, and once I hit on the next button my account will be created and it will redirect me to my YouTube account as well. By following these simple and easy methods, you can create a YouTube account. So this is how you can create a YouTube account.